So here are my tips for protecting your paint with a helicopter tape that you know. It is a clear tape that will stop your cables from rubbing your paint. So it is pretty good, and there are too many points where the cable rub. So here they are on the main frame. It is a large one because of the fold. When you fold the bike, the cables move up to here. There's also on the front of the main frame. There is one. It's another on the stem here because of the cables rub when you turn from side to side. It is also on one here on the fork, yeah, because of the front brake cable, and the same cable rub on the mudguard. So here is another. Down on the main frame, when you fold your bike, the rear tire touch under the main frame, and here is another one, and the same rear tire will rub here. So here's another one and another one for the fold of the rear tire. At the bottom bracket part, here is one for the cables and another one for the cables here. Now on the rear frame I put one here for the anchorage when you are on third speed. This can loose and rub your frame. And I also put one here for the slap of the cane. I have one on the rear mudguard. And at the inside of the rear frame, I have one for the rear brake cable. Yeah. I have another one over here in the main frame where the spindle is. So the cables turn over here and don't rub my frame. The same with the cables on the rear frame. So one here and one on the downside. For the end, I have one here for the main frame lock. Yeah. So hope you like it and tell me if I can help you.